One of the questions I've been asked about the ultrasonic device is which areas of your body can you use it on? Can you use it on your butt? Can you use it on your face? And the answer is yes. So the top part of the machine, which is the ultrasonic part, is basically the same as what beauty therapists use for what they call non-invasive liposuction or non-invasive fat cavitation. So any areas where you might want to break down fat cells and plump the skin, tighten the skin by helping to build collagen, that's what radiofrequency does. So you can use it on your neck, for your turkey neck if you have one like I do, to tighten the skin. You can use it on the face. You don't want to, of course, put it right on top of the eye area. You want to use it around all those areas where you're starting to see a little bit of aging happen. So I use it all through here to help with creping. I use it up here. Instead of having Botox, I try to think I'm ironing out all the lines and wrinkles using the machine instead. Remember too to use it on this area here to help with the jowls, and you can use it right under the nose and around the mouth if you are getting that little bit of creping around the mouth too. I use it, that part of the machine, I use on the upper parts of my arms as well, where I have a lot of creping and a lot of excess skin from weight loss. The other areas I would recommend that you use it as well is through the stomach, down the sides, on your love handles as well. So that's just the ultrasonic part. You can also use it on your thighs if you're seeing that visible appearance of cellulite. So it will help break down the cellulite and smooth the skin. But remember, like your cellulite, Rome wasn't created in a day, so you do have to do it bit by bit. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to really get that process happening, and you will start to see visible results, but it will take time, so bear with. Now, when it comes to the other part of the machine, which are the electrodes, this is the electromagnetic stimulation. So this is the same sort of treatment that physiotherapists use to help build muscles, strengthen muscles, or repair muscles if a muscle's, say, been damaged through some sort of physical exertion. So for this, you want to pop this on a place where you know there's a muscle contracting. So for example, my partner Pete has been popping the electrodes on this part of his arm because he suffers from a little bit of arm strain from computer use, as an example. So anything where you can feel a muscle contract, that's where you want to put those electrodes. So yes, you can pop them on your biceps if you know your biceps are a little bit flabby, or you might have excess skin or overhang, or a little bit too much fat on the top layer, because as you build that muscle helps you basically break down fat. So the more muscle you have, the less likely you are to have fat sitting on the top, or it will help you burn that fat away. I also use it on my stomach. So I have an excess roll of leftover fat from weight loss, and I have a secondary roll, which some people would call an apron. So I use the electrodes on that area as well. I pop 2 on this part of my tummy here, and I'll pop them on there. I'll let the machine do its work for about 8 to 10 minutes, and you'll feel muscle contractions, which is great because I know I'm burning fat. And then on the lower part of my stomach, I'll also use the electrodes to really help strengthen that area, which is also great for core strength as well. The side muscles, the muscles down the side, you can also pop the electrodes on there. It will all help with strengthening. However, if you're looking for something to do with, say, lymphatic drainage, if you've got maybe, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of fat, but it feels a bit fluidy, you can pop it on the acupressure points around your belly button. Now, those points are actually listed inside the manual that comes with the machine. So all the information is there. And basically, it's up to you to play with it so you can feel what it's like, and then look at the difference in the results, because everybody's different. So everybody's going to have slightly different results. When it comes to your legs, of course, you can pop it on your calf muscles. If you want to maybe strengthen and tone your thighs, you can do it there. And yes, you can put them on your butt. So you probably want to put it wherever you feel the muscles contract. So when you're at home by yourself, contract your muscles in your butt. Find where the muscles are really looking a little slack in the mirror, and you want to tighten them up, and tighten them so you can see where that muscle contraction is happening. And then you simply remove the cover, and it will stick to the area that you basically want that electromagnetic electricity to come through and to do that muscle contraction for you. The great thing about the pads too is they are completely reusable. So they have a silicone gel on there, which means you can use them over and over again. And if somebody else in your house wants to use them too and you feel a bit icky about sharing, don't worry, the set comes with 2 additional pads. Isn't that convenient? So the answer to the question is, can I use it all over my body? Yes, you can.